Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about SeatGeek promo codes. So for that you will have to open your browser and type in SeatGeek promo codes in your search engine. So you'll see the result coupon follow. So let's go to this website. You'll see multiple website. You can use any website you want. So what we want are the coupon codes. The website doesn't really matter. So I've opened this couponfollow.com website here, and as you can see there are some coupon codes here like $5 off, $10 off, and then if you scroll down you'll see some cashback here as well. So what you'll have to do is you'll have to press on this show coupon code button here. It will take you to another page and you will see the code take 5. So you can copy it and use it on SeatGeek.com. So as you can see the SeatGeek website is opened here as well, so you can simply log in and use your coupon code here. So the trick is to use Google to search for promo codes as it might get expired when you use it. So simply go to Google and search for promo codes and go through the websites and you try out the promo codes. So that was all for today guys. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.